Science fiction and fantasy have long fascinated audiences, offering glimpses into worlds beyond our own. These genres do more than entertain. They have created vibrant communities that have evolved alongside culture and technology. In the early 20th century, fandoms emerged through pulp magazines and fanzines. Fans connected over shared interests, exchanging letters and stories. These early networks laid the foundation for the collaborative culture that defines modern fandoms. The 1960s marked a turning point with television series like Star Trek. Dedicated fans organized conventions, wrote fan fiction, and embraced cosplay. Their passion not only sustained the show but also helped establish practices that would become central to fandom culture. The rise of the internet in the 1990s and 2000s transformed fandoms yet again. Online forums and fan sites enabled global connections, allowing fans to share creations, discuss narratives, and celebrate their favorite universes on a larger scale than ever before. Today, fandoms are diverse and interactive. Fans contribute to the worlds they love through digital art, gaming, storytelling, and more, often blurring the lines between creators and consumers. At their core, these communities are about more than media. They are about belonging, creativity, and shared passion. From humble beginnings to a global phenomenon, science fiction and fantasy fandoms demonstrate how imagination can bring people together and shape culture across generations. Looking forward, these fandoms will continue to evolve, fueled by new technologies, global connections, and the limitless creativity of their members. They stand as a testament to the enduring power of imagination, showing that stories are not just consumed, they are lived, shared, and continuously reinvented.